Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to turn off seatbelt alarm in 2021 Chevy Silverado. So without further ado, let's just dive right in the process. So we have a really global and general type of solution for this issue is to simply get seat belt alarm stoppers. So these are these little thingies which replicate that you have seat belt installed, so that you can simply pop them inside your seat belt insertion area, and it will stop the chime of your seat belt alarm. So to get an unattached seat belt clip, if you do not plan to use seat belt, which is completely not recommended, but let's say sometimes you are just doing something else instead of driving inside your car, or maybe anything could be a possibility, and your seat belt is just constantly running and just simply becoming a headache. So get an unattached seat belt clip if you do not plan to use a seat belt. An unattached seat belt will stop the seat belt alarm, but you won't be able to use the seat belt anymore. To use one, simply insert into a seatbelt clip like you would actually do to a seatbelt. Remember that driving without a seatbelt is very dangerous again, and against the law in most areas. These clips are great to put into use unused seatbelts that aren't being used on the driver's passengers. So yeah, basically this is the solution for our issue, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next couple of videos.